Hey, just thought I'd give a rundown on how this 3D scanner stuff works. This is the Revopoint Pop that I bought from off of eBay, actually used. This is a turntable I bought off Amazon. What I'm scanning here is a John Deere emblem that I purchased off Amazon. And before I bought this, I was looking on Thingiverse and I couldn't find any models of the John Deere emblem. So I thought I'd just 3D print one and just scan it, 3D print it, and put it out on Thingiverse. So anyway, the way this is done is we have my scanner pointing down at the John Deere emblem sitting on a turntable. I'm running Revopoint RevoScan software. This is what it sees. This is where it's registering points. So those little dots all over the turntable are to help it track the item being scanned. Notice it's not picking up black. That's just these scanners don't pick up the black. They only pick up white and lighter colors, which is why I also had to paint over that emblem with this stuff. It's basically just an aerosol talc with alcohol. So those little registration dots on the turntable get picked up in marker mode by this software, so it helps it track the item as it spins around. So we're going to go ahead and run the scan. This is really just in ready mode, so we're going to actually run the scan, we have to hit this button. It counts down, and then we do a full 360-degree scan as it just let it rotate till it gets all the angles. And it's keeping tracking pretty well. So those little dots are doing their job, giving it lots of points to look at to keep track of everything. Notice the turntable itself doesn't show up on the scan because it's black. And also the letters are having trouble being scanned because they're basically too small for the, and they have, like the D has that hollow center that the scanner can't quite see into. So those will have to fill in with software later. So anyway, to finish this, it looks like we're pretty much done. So I'm going to hit stop. And then I'm going to hit complete, and I'm going to fuse the point cloud. And a point cloud is basically the step before an STL file gets created. It's literally dots. So what this software is doing right now is it's fusing them together in one contiguous pattern. And then later that can be used to convert to an STL triangle mesh. So I mean, it didn't do too bad. The resolution isn't awesome. And I think there's a lot that can be done with software to clean this up and to actually build a model there's enough information here that I can use this to overlay on CAD for Fusion 360 to actually build an actual 3D CAD model, which I may do, or just you can just 3D print this directly, but the resolution's a little less than the real object. So I mean, but it's close enough to get work done. It's enough data to build a model that you can do a lot of different things with. So that's how I do that. I'm having a lot of fun playing with this stuff, and it's kind of a challenge, but it's a lot of fun thing.